or Friday, and a lot of doctors offer telemedicine appointments. It's a great way to visit them now without ever having to leave your house. And there is actually a similar service for pets. Carlos is live here in Indy to explain, and this is really cool, Carlos.
It's really cool, but also very familiar, because if you remember, back in September, we were here at the Pet Wellness Clinic on Benford Avenue talking about telemedicine, virtual vet visits where you could actually have your pet come in and be checked out on your smartphone. Back then, it seemed like an extravagance, and now it seems like a necessity. If you don't want to take your pet to the vet, because no pet likes the vet, you can actually do it online now, virtually. Mulligan, who's my favorite cat in the world now, and imagine Mulligan's got something wrong with him. So Mulligan is there in his normal environment at home, and then that video goes live to Dr. Peterson. How long have you guys been doing this?
We've been doing this for about 6 months, and it's been fantastic.
When we visited you last year, it seemed like telemedicine might be the wave of the future, but now the future is here.
Yeah, the future's now. This is a necessity. I think, especially in cases like this, especially even in human medicine, they're utilizing it a lot now with this coronavirus. So this is a great time for owners to start getting used to this app and utilizing it when they can't come in and see us in person.
So for somebody who doesn't know what telemedicine is...
It's a virtual app. So you log into an app called Teletails. The app is really cool, very user-friendly. They can take pictures, send us pictures, and then they can video chat and video conference with one of our veterinarians.
Can you diagnose a problem with a pet online?
Depending on what it is. So there are some limitations in what we can see virtually. But for skin issues, ear issues, if a dog's limping, we can see that on video, and we can prescribe medicine if we have a client-patient relationship with them. A client called us. Unfortunately, they were put on quarantine in their house. Their dog came down with a skin infection, and she couldn't leave the house, but her mother could come and pick up medication for the dog. So I was able to video conference with the owner, look at the dog's skin, was able to send home medications. The mother came and picked him up and dropped him on her front porch, and the dog got treated.
People are so worried about their own health. Are they disregarding the health of their pets?
We've actually seen people pay more attention to their pets right now. They're home more. They're interacting with their animals more. They're picking up on things that they haven't seen before. So I think this is a good lesson for clients to just kind of know your pet, be around them, be aware of any changes that they may have. But we are seeing people finding out more things about their pet because they're spending more time with them at home.
Now, there are two people that I know are spending more time with their pets, and that is Miss Julia Moffitt and Mr. Chunk Lofton. So, guys, Dr. Peterson, she watches Sunrise. If you guys want to do a virtual visit right now with your pets, you guys can show her, what's going on. Ben, what do you think about that?
I love this. All right, guys, got the senator and who's that, Remy, Jules?
This is Remy, and then Dex is right here behind me. I don't think you can see him. Say hi. Yeah, so he's never up this early, But yeah, no, I love this idea, and you're right. I've seen so many things on social media where they say this is like the best thing for dogs. Dogs are like best time in my life because all of us are home with them, and I know that includes you there with Senator Chuck.
My question is there a dog psychiatrist? Because the big man here, he does not know what to think.
That's what mine needs.
You can go to Mary. Go to Mary. Good boy. Carlos said that piece.
It's like we're the Brady Bunch here
Thanks, guys.
in these 4 boxes. I wish you guys could see. Hey, Chuck, let's talk weather today. If you do want to walk the dog, what do you